Hello everyone, today, we make Hwachae. It's a pretty Korean drink, perfect for summer, you will love it. Hwachae is refreshing, it looks amazing, so colorful and fun. Let's get started. Hwachae is a special drink. We've been drinking it in Korea for a long time. It means fruit punch in Korean. There are many different kinds of Hwachae. We use different fruits, you can make it sweet or sour. We need fruit. Strawberries, melon, grapes are good. You can use any fruit you like. We also need sugar, or honey, and water or ginger ale, for more flavor. Wash the fruit carefully. Cut into small pieces. Small pieces are easy to eat. You can use cookie cutters. Make fun shapes, stars, hearts, anything. Alright, let's get started with making the Hwachae. First, put the fruit in a big bowl, then add some sugar or honey. Mix it well. Now add water or ginger ale and mix it again. Finally, put it in the refrigerator and let it get nice and cold. Time to make the Hwachae pretty. Add some edible flowers, they look so nice. You can also add mint leaves, they smell good. And just like that, your Hwachae is ready. Pour the Hwachae into glasses and add some ice cubes. It's so refreshing. The fruit is sweet, the drink is cool, perfect for a hot day. You can make Hwachae with different fruits. Try watermelon, kiwi, or pineapple. Have fun with it. Hwachae is easy and delicious. Enjoy.